White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
How we doing, barbecue fam? Welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're notification gang. You already know the vibes. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today I'm going to be bringing you Totchos on the Traeger, but we're going to be doing it a little different today. We're doing an Asian Korean style barbecue tacho, which is essentially tater tot nachos. We're using pork ribs, chopped up, take them off the rib, take the meat, chop it up, dice it up. We're gonna add some Asian style barbecue sauce to that, and we are gonna put it on top of tachos and treat it like nachos from there. We got the Traeger rolling at 350. We're gonna cook these tachos, and then we're gonna get to layering this thing and getting these tachos together. So hit that like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So first and foremost, we got crispy style tater tots here. Your run-of-the-mill frozen section tater tots. And this pan's a little too big, so we're actually not using all of it, but that's okay. You want it perfectly evenly layered like this, because you don't really want these stacked. You want them to cook evenly. And a little trick we're gonna do here, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm gonna swish these around. The olive oil is gonna give it, you know, a little bit more of a crispy factor, I believe. So olive oil them up. Spin them around. It's gonna help with crispiness. Especially in the smoker. So, once you've done that, then we're gonna hit them with a little bit of Rack City rub from White Bull's Barbecue, of course. Make sure that they're nice and even once again. Hit them with the rub, and let's throw them on the smoker. Once you season them up nice, this is what they look like. Already looking delicious. Already got some color to them from that olive oil and that rub. That's gonna assist with that crispiness. Let's get them on the smoker. Here we have our pork baby back ribs. Took them off the bone, diced them up nice. This is about a half a rack. That's a perfect amount. And I'm about to add that Korean barbecue sauce to it. This is gonna be amazing. You got a little bit of sesame in there, some sweetness, some pear puree. Amazing stuff. So let's add that to this and let's mix it up. Don't be afraid to add a decent amount. Let's mix that up. You don't wanna over sauce it and you don't wanna under sauce it. That is what you're going for. That is perfect. Not too much sauce, not too little sauce. Okay, so we got those tots going at 350 on the Traeger. We're gonna let them go 15 minutes. Then we're gonna stir them, give them another 5 minutes. And then we're gonna throw on that pork rib meat with that sauce in it. We got that kind of marinating right now. And then that's when the fun begins. So I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. We'll go check on those tots. All right, so we're about 20 minutes in on these tachos. Let's take a look at them, make sure that they're ready to rock. You want a little bit of crispiness, but not completely done, because we're gonna be cooking stuff on top of it. So let's check these out and make sure that they're on par with where we want them. All right, so it's actually been 20 minutes now, rolling at 350. We cranked it to 375. So anywhere in that range for about 20 minutes, you should be right where you need to be. Let's go put this pork on top and add our fixins as this goes along. Let's go. All right, so we threw on some Tillamook farmhouse style, super thick cheddar, shredded, and then we threw on our pork. Let's take a look at it, give it 10 minutes, and they're done. We're gonna hit them with our fixins. All right, so you wanna give it about 10 minutes with the cheese and the pork, and this is your result. You ready? Wow. Time to take this off, hit it with our garnish, and dig in. Let's go. All right, we're gonna hit it with our garnish. Obviously sour cream. Oh yeah. And, of course, some fresh cut chives, aka scallions. And you have the perfect tachos. Let's take a look. Let's take a bite. Wow. Hold up. Wow. This recipe is an absolute must. There is no better way to use leftover pork ribs. It could be spare ribs, it could be St. Louis, it could be baby backs. This is amazing. I'm sure you could even substitute this for beef, beef ribs, whatever. This is amazing. Let's take one last look. Hit that like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the recipe, tell me what you want to see next. Let's go. Sheesh. The best damn barbecue ever.
White Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.